Alright guys, as you know, this hair is from Alipearl Hair, and I do have their 5x5 deep wave closure wig. She is 26 inches, and baby, the density on her is 250%. She thick, she thick. So this is what the lace closure is looking like straight out the package. She hasn't been customized at all. I have done no plucking, no tinting, no bleaching, no washing, no co-washing, none of that, y'all. This is just how the unit looks straight out of the box. I've gone in and tinted the lace just using my lace tint spray. I did not bleach the knots this go around. This hair has not been washed or conditioned. I didn't do that in this video neither, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and prep her for securing her down. Just taking my 70% rubbing alcohol, and we're gonna go ahead and remove the excess makeup. Once that's done, we're gonna go ahead and with our got2b glue, and we're gonna go ahead and spray a couple of layers on, take a blow dryer, and wait till it's tacky, and then we're gonna go ahead and lay that bad baby down. I hope you guys are in the holiday spirit. I am super excited, y'all. Christmas is literally in a week, okay? And I love the holidays. Don't y'all, my birthday coming up too, so that's why I'm hyped. Now I'm just going on in with my hot comb. As you guys can see, I did do some, I don't know if I mentioned that already, but I did go in and pluck it a little bit. I created a little bit, I got a little bit heavy-handed with the plucking, and I actually created like a little patch, a little balding patch in the center. So luckily I wasn't doing like a middle part anyway. Those tweezers were so freaking sharp, y'all. I wasn't paying attention. I was actually watching the season of Charm when I was putting on this wig, y'all. Don't do that. Do not watch TV and try to put on your wig. I am cutting the excess lace off. As you guys can see, I found my little scissors, y'all, so we back in business. I am going in with my contour shade I used that day. I feel like it wasn't dark enough, to be honest. I love to go 2 to 3 shades darker with my contour, especially when blended in my laces, because I feel like it just blends a little bit more seamlessly, if that makes sense. Alright, so I am going in with some baby hairs. Y'all already know what it is. Y'all know what it is, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and just let you guys watch, y'all. It was a struggle for me to do baby hairs this day. I was just having a bad baby hair day, but I managed to slay. I don't care. Y'all can come for me if y'all want. Just kidding. But I feel like I managed to make it work. I know the way I edit my videos, it makes it seem like it's seamlessly, like it's just easy. I put it on and boom, boom, boom. But y'all, it's really a process to this, and it literally takes me like 30 minutes, to be honest, to form and mold my baby hairs the way I want it. So don't feel like discouraged or anything if you try this method out and it doesn't come out the first time, because y'all, this ain't easy. It may look a little easy, but once you get it down pat, it gets easier. But I'm just saying, as far as the baby hairs, y'all, I be struggling. But I managed to make it work. So I did leave a little bit of my errors in there and how I just kept swooping and swooping and swooping. Because sometimes it just takes that, you know? Okay, so I did let my baby hair sit for a little bit. Okay, we back and we popping and boom, she came out flawless, y'all. I was not even expecting it to do that. Like, sis, like, wait, I was not expecting it to come out that great. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and create our deep side part. Now, do I always create a part on this side when I do side parts? I'm not even 100% sure. I think I normally do it the other way. I don't know. But anyway, I'm just going in to create a part. Once my part is created to my liking, I'm gonna go in with some concealer because I like to make it pop. Okay. I do like to make it pop. I like to have my part just looking freaking flawless. Now, this wasn't the best part I've done, y'all. I admit I was a little lazy. It was a little crooked. I could have fixed it better than what I did, but it will make do, okay? Now I'm just going in to, slim down this hair or slim down the density. I want that area a little bit flat, not too flat because I still want volume up there, but I'm just running my hot comb through it just so I can, lay it to my liking. Now I'm just doing my curly hair routine, y'all. And y'all know in the winter, I have just been going with water and foam wrap lotion, and it has been serving me and doing me justice. Okay, so this is pretty much it, y'all. I really love working with this hair. I would say honestly that this hair could have used a co-washing. To me, it kind of felt a little bit dry, especially when I went in to do this curly hair routine. It just felt a little bit dry. Okay, so I know it could have used a good co-washing. Other than that, I did get a few snags and tags here and there. For the first time when I detangled it, I did get minimum shedding as well. If someone tell you, y'all, that your virgin curly hair is not going to shed, they lying. Don't listen to them. They lying. I'm not even kidding. So, like I said, it didn't come out in clumps or anything, but I did get minimum shedding during this process. So, yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoy your holidays. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Let me know in the comments what you think, what you thought. You know how it goes. So yeah, I'm gonna let y'all go, and until my next video, your girl will see ya later. Bye guys.